Hey there, crafty fairies. Welcome back to the magical world of Paper Fairy, where we bring fairy tales to life, one fold at a time. Every now and then, some of you sweet folks reach out with a little hiccup, downloading our digital papercraft templates after you've made a purchase. But don't you worry, I've whipped up this quick and easy tutorial to walk you through the process, step by step. Let's jump right in and get those fantastic files onto your computer so you can start creating magic right away. Step 1. Log in to your Etsy account. Pop open your web browser and scoot over to www.etsy.com. Log into your Etsy account with your email address and password. If you were a guest shopper, no worries. Just snag the email receipt Etsy zipped over to you to download the files. I'll cover guest checkout in a tick. Step 2. Let's shop and check out. First, flutter over to my Etsy page. Spot the template you adore and want to purchase. Over here on the right, you'll usually see two bubbly options: Buy it now or Add to your cart. For our little adventure today, click Add to Cart. All set shopping? Great! Click on Proceed to Checkout. A final screen will blossom with your personal info and the delightful details of the products you're snapping up, including the added taxes and the total cost. Give everything a once-over to ensure it's all tickety-boo, then click that big, bold Place Your Order button. Step 3. Downloading your files. You'll know your order has fluttered through successfully when the cheery "Thank you for your order" page pops up. Ready to download? Etsy makes it a breeze. Just click on the View Your Files link that appears on the order confirmation page. This will whisk you away directly to the Downloads page. Here, each file you've purchased will be lined up, ready to download. Simply click on the Download button next to each file to tuck them right onto your computer. Step 4. Accessing your files anytime. Once you've purchased a digital download, it nestles in your account for you to download anytime by visiting your Purchases and Reviews page. There are no limits on when or how many times you can download a file. Just log in, click on your profile picture or avatar at the top right corner, and select Purchases and Reviews. Find your order, and voila! You'll see a Download Files button next to it if the item is a digital treasure. The files will usually save to your default Downloads folder, unless you've tweaked your browser settings. Important notes for smooth sailing. Can't see the Download Files button? Hold tight. Digital downloads are only available once your payment has confirmed. If you paid via e-check, it might take a few days to clear. Remember, you can't download digital files through the Etsy app. Use a web browser on your computer, phone, or tablet instead. For guest checkout users, peek at your email inbox for the receipt Etsy sent after your purchase. It'll say something like, "Your Etsy order receipt." Inside, you'll find a link saying, "View your files on Etsy." Give that a tap to scoot over to your download page and gather your files. And there you have it. You're all prepped to start crafting. If any questions or bubbles of confusion pop up about the file or the download process, just drop a comment below or ping me directly through Etsy's message system. I'm here to help you get crafting as swiftly as can be. Thank you for tuning in, and happy crafting, my dear friends.